गुड मॉर्निंग। अभी तक आप सभी को बाय नाउ एवरीबडी नो इन इंडिया एटलीस्ट द कंट्रोवर्सी दैट टुक प्लेस फ्यू डेज बैक बिकॉज नमाज नमाज जो प्रेयर होता है ना मुस्लिम्स के, दैट वाज वो नमाज एक हिंदू टेम्पल पे अदा किया गया था। मीन्स namaz was done inside a Hindu temple in Uttar Pradesh. Now the controversy sparked when two person offered namaz inside Nanda Bhavan temple complex. So Nanda Bhavan temple complex जो कि मथुरा में है, वहां पर उस in that temple complex two two person offered namaz. So we are, or I am not against namaz, but namaz, it's a temple. You cannot do namaz inside a Hindu temple. Now what happened? क्या हुआ कि two person was offered namaz. They were doing namaz, and two person was clicking the video. I don't know why. You need to click video for doing the namaz. I don't know. This is the thing. So एक कंट्रोवर्सी हो गया जब ये वीडियो वायरल हुआ, लोग को पता चला कि नमाज पढ़ा गया टेम्पल के अंदर, नंद भवन टेम्पल कॉम्प्लेक्स के अंदर। और वहां पर जो व्यक्ति थे, जो वो नंद वो सब देख करते हैं, आप बोल सकते हैं प्रीस्ट बोल सकते हैं, जो भी बोल सकते हैं। ही सेड के तीन यूथ आए, एक लोग तीन नौजवान आए, उसमें से एक वन वाज फ्रॉम दिल्ली एंड ही वाज टेलिंग दैट यस ही हैज अ फेथ ऑन लॉर्ड कृष्णा, एंड वो कुछ परिक्रमा कर रहे थे। तो ये वो ही वाज टॉकिंग नाउ after when they was talking with the priest went inside and he wants to close. जब वो बंद करने जा रहा था मंदिर, तब when he came out he found that two person was offering namaz and other person was clicking the video. Now this is not done because again I am saying there are lots of my Muslim brothers and sisters doesn't know that they cannot do namaz in temple. If you don't know, then you can go to the Twitter and listen to what Zafar Sureshwala ji. He is also a Muslim, but listen to him in Twitter what he spoke on India TV News. I have heard that Zafar Sureshwala ji has said something that why Muslims cannot offer namaz in a temple. So you can go and watch, because he has said lots of things which I don't know. But I don't know what is the need of doing namaz in the temple complex. You know, right now the abhi ka jo avastha, the situation hai, the two big religion of this world, Christianity and the Islams, are having problem. We can see. Check in France, people of France are scared. One day mosque is burned, another day a church attack in church, and in Bangladesh we have seen they are attacking Hindu villages. So what is going on? And when there is a situation intense in some part of the world, India is not involved in all this thing then, but there will be some people who will do provocation, and this some Urdu shair, what is his name, Munwar Rana, he is an Urdu shair and an educated person. He is telling that if somebody insult Islam, their hand should be cut. You know what is the problem right now is going on related to cartoon. So let the matter cool down. आप provoke क्यों कर रहे हैं? Why are you provoking? Now that day the person, the Muslim person offered namaz in the temple complex. Now if now Hindu will if Hindu priest will go to the mosque and say that they want to do prayer inside the mosque, will they allow? Will the Muslim people will allow? So this is wrong. In the name of namaz, in the name of religion, we should all stop all this nonsense. We should all stop all this nonsense. Mosque, temple, church, Gurdwara, all are holy places. All are holy places. If some people try to provoke or try to do politics, do it on another matter. Please don't involve this kind of holy like prophet, then India, Hindu goddess, etc., etc. No, don't involve. They are they are a religion. We must respect every religion. And this incident, offering prayer inside offering namaz inside in a Hindu temple complex is really not acceptable at all. It was just a matter of just to do provocation. He can go out of the if it was a namaz time, he could have gone out from the temple complex and he could have done the prayer, has done the could have done the namaz there. It doesn't mean that they will have to do. And what is the need of clicking picture उठाने का क्या दरकार था? Why they were clicking picture just to get viral? So my request, I don't know how many people will watch my video and how many people will share my video, but I feel we should stop all this thing, because be it Quran, be it Gita, be it Bible, the holy books never say to spread hatred, because each and every holy book, again I am saying, Quran, Bible, Gita, every holy book says spread peace, love. But some people trying to use religion for the sake of spreading hatred. Please stop. Go and watch people of France, Paris and other part of that region. They are so scared. Why they should be scared of all this thing? They have not seen this kind of burning of churches, etc., or mosques. Why the violence? Just because of election is going on in US, and because in India it's peaceful, and they will have to provoke in the name of religion. This is utter nonsense. Please stop. Don't use religion for your own political gain. It's very bad. Please share my video so that it can reach to maximum number of people. Thank you very much.